Our next speaker is also online. It is Fabio Hüther from Evodrop, talking about an effective water treatment systems for each point of use. Fabio, are you with us?
Yes, I'm
okay,
here.
The floor is yours.
Thank you so much. Hello, everybody. My name is Fabio Hüther. I'm the co-founder and head of research of development from Evodrop AG. Next slide, please. The history of Evodrop started at my mechanical engineering studies in 2017. I founded the Umuntu GmbH for the water treatment sector. In 2018, I started my first application on 2 patents. That's why we needed the GmbH. In December 2019, Umuntu GmbH turns and becomes Evodrop AG, so we changed the trust. And in June 2020, we established 3 patent boxes, also GmbHs, for all 5 patents we are having now. The company value and expectation are, we have 500 clients, around 200 projects. We had a revenue in 2021 of 1.5 million. We are 100% self-financed, and most important, 100% of the shares are held by Evodrop. As you may see, the revenues in 2023 will be 4.2 million Swiss francs. Next slide, please. The key activities from us, Evodrop, are in the private households for drinking water and anti-scaling systems, in the gastronomy and food production for hygiene, safety, and drinking water stations, in the office and commercials, also for the drinking water sector, and in agriculture for drip irrigation and bioseed, and in the real estate, we are also for the anti-scaling, anti-corrosion, and filtered water. And the last key activity is in the sport and fitness institution, where we have great success with the best football association with FC Zurich and FC St. Gallen for hydrogen-rich water, which we developed. Next slide, please. The management and the key or the core team is me, Fabio Hüther, Dino Novia, Luciano Novia, and Joshua Fitz. We are also supported by 9 scientists as an advisory board from PhDs in medicine, engineering, natural science, and environmental technologies. As well, we are having now, proud to and honored to be say that, 11 employees in sales, logistics, and manufacturing. Next slide, please. The value proposition is that we offer the perfect water treatment with different technologies and patent for every purpose. Next slide. For the Rhone River Challenge, I used one of our technologies called the Evodrop. It's a special developed adsorption material. We are 10 up to 15 times higher in the filter performance than standard and competitors activated carbon filters or adsorption filters. It's tested around over 614 different pollutants like pesticide, microplastics, heavy metal, bacteria, and pharmaceuticals and medication. Next slide, please. Here you see the difference in the graphics. We are mostly contaminating with micropores. We are having 70%, the competitor products having just up to 10 and 20%. Next slide, please. The other product for the Rhone River Challenge was the Hydrolyzes. We are having 2 patents on this. Also, we have 3 publications in the Journal of Physics, Journal of Chemistry, and the Journal of Microbiology on killing fungi, bacteria, and viruses without any need of chlorine, heavy metal, bromine, or UVC lights. So clean water, hygiene water, without any environmental and human problems on health and environmental problems. Next slide, please. Also, we have an impact on the lime scale, on rust, means corrosion, and also on the microorganisms. So the tubes and the pipes will be free and safe forever. Next slide, please. Also, we have, as I mentioned before, an impact on the environment. We are split in a foundation or an association for an NGO and a profit organization. And with the foundation, we are active in 12 countries. We have around 28 projects. We helped with 4,500 people with clean water. We developed fountain or water wells with our water treatments. We planted around 250,000 trees, and with that we compensated around 5 million kilograms of CO2. Next slide, please. Our need is an investment minimum of 500,000 Swiss francs, for sure, shares only with detailed agreement. We are also searching for strategic partners for development of new markets and regions in Europe, as we are a research and development country and production and not a sales team. And also we are searching for sales partners in the field of water management and treatment. Next slide. Thank you very much. This was Evodrop. If you have any further question, please come back to me. I will reply you for every need. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Fabio. Thanks for that. And we'll move to our last